Hi, in this video we are going to see the professor, associate as well as assistant professor vacancies from the multiple departments and from the two different colleges guys. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications. Okay, so here the candidates who are having only post graduation opportunities are there, PG plus UGC net also opportunities are there. So you can watch guys, and if your subjects are not covered in this video, don't get disappointed. Whatever your requirement is there, put your requirement in the comment section. Definitely I will come up in the next video if the requirements are there. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding both these two colleges recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there. By keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. While coming to the present content of the video. So out of the two colleges here, first one we will see the Vidya Academy of Science and Technology. So from this one, here we got few recruitment notification. Regarding the engineering departments guys from the two different branches. One is from Trivandrum and second one is from Thrissur. So here the assistant professor are there, qualification experience as per the AICTE norms, and a minimum of first class or equivalent in both UG and PG is required for the assistant professor category. And the departments are civil engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering. And coming to the Thrissur, professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there. For the electronics and communication, computer science, mechanical, electrical and civil engineering. And the qualifications as per the AICTE, that means for assistant professor category, first class in the UG as well as the PG they mentioned. And coming to the professor and associate professor qualification, PhD is required in the relevant areas. Fine. And apart from both these two, here the technical support associate vacancies are also there. So academic qualification required here is diploma or BTech in computer science, or else a BSc in computer science, or else BC or MCA, and certificate and experience certification in Rehadat, minimum 2 years experience in Linux operating system, and the desirable CCNA certification, experience in repair and maintenance of the computer hardware and networking. And you have to apply within 10 days guys. And here this notification released today only, 18th August 2021. So still 10 more days time is there, so you have to carefully check down. And here the online application form is also there, and I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. You may check out guys. Okay, and coming to the next one, as I told that the two colleges I am going to show you. So the next one is Sanjay Godawat University from Kolhapur. So here the two different notifications released from this university. One is regarding the registrar, but for the registrar the qualification is required. Okay, anyhow I will see you the registrar at the end of this video. First we will see the teaching vacancies. So these are the teaching vacancies from this university guys. So we will see one by one. So appointments are there regarding aeronautical engineering and computer science engineering, and here the designation as well as the number of vacancies are also mentioned here. And coming to the School of Commerce and Management, so management or commerce, so assistant professor in data science and business analytics and in international business, so the vacancies are mentioned. And coming to the School of Science, the Department of Physics, assistant professor in atmospheric and space science, one vacancy. And the School of Liberal Arts, journalism and mass communication, assistant professor, one vacancy. And School of Architecture, assistant professor, total 8 number of vacancies are there. And coming to the pharmaceutical sciences, professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there from this pharmaceutics and pharmacochemistry, pharmacology and pharmacognosy. The number of vacancies are also mentioned here. And the qualifications and experience and pay scales, everything as per the UGC or AICTE or COA or PCI standards. Okay, and the TADA will not be provided for the interview purpose guys. And applications are invited. And applications are invited in the prescribed format, which is available in the official website itself. And you have to download the application form and submit the same duly signed. along with resume, self-attested photocopies of relevant documents and recent passport size photograph within 15 days from the date of this advertisement to the register office. Okay. So it is a advertisement regarding this professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies, guys. Fine. So you may check down here the prescribed application form they mentioned, and in the college official website, all the links are provided here. So click here for the application form. Fine. So if you click this one, then you will be directed to the application form that you have to fill up, guys, and you have to send the after filling up by taking the necessary documents whatever they mentioned in the notification. All these things you have to send to the register office. Fine. So these are all the details mentioned in the online application form, guys, not the online. And in the same way here, you may check down that the register vacancies are also there. Not the vacancies, I think only one vacancy. So that you may check down here. Yeah. So appointment for the post of registrar, and the university is established and applications are invited for the post of registrar from eligible candidates as per the UGC notification dated 18 Jan 2018. So within 15 days from the date of the publication of this advertisement, interested candidates may submit their application on the email recruitment@sanjay.godawatuniversity.ac.in and one hard copy of application in the university office. Fine. So the pay scales and each and everything as per the university norms, guys. And applications not in the prescribed format will not be considered. Experience in similar capacity in multidisciplinary university is essential. Preference will be given to the candidates having the LLB or MBA degrees and experience of the ICT enabled office administration. Fine. So these are all the details, and I will provide you these two college, this website as well as this website. Okay, both these two websites I will links I will kept in the description box of this video. So you please find out, guys, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.